Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect WooCommerce to custom thank you page after checkout in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and when customer click on place order, then we are going to redirect customer to custom thank you page using custom code. So this is our thank you page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see URL, so you can add your custom URL thank you page here. Scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. So we are in checkout page. Scroll down. Now enable this option and then click on place order. Now you see checkout page redirect to thank you page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.